on, Shrek. We don't want to hit traffic.
Don't worry. We'll take care of everything.
Hey, wait for me. Oh.
Yeah.
All right, hit it. Move 'em on, hit 'em up. Move 'em on, hit 'em on. Move 'em down real high. Move 'em on, hit 'em up, hit 'em up. Move 'em on, hit 'em up real high. Light 'em up, move 'em on. Hit 'em up, move 'em on real high. Knock 'em out, count 'em dead, make 'em teeth, buy 'em drinks, meet their mamas, milk 'em hard, raw, high. Yeehaw!
Are we there yet?
No.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Hey, are we there yet?
Are we there yet?
No.
Are we there yet?
Yes.
Really?
No.
Are we there yet?
No!
Are we there yet?
No, we are not.
Are we there yet?
No.
Are we there
Are we
yet?
there yet?
Hey, that's
Hey,
not
that's
funny.
not funny.
Hey, that's really
That's
immature.
really immature.
See, this is why
See, this is
nobody
why no one likes
ogres.
ogres.
All right, you're
All
lost.
right, you're lost.
I'm gonna just stop talking.
Finally.
But this is taking forever. Shrek, and there ain't no in-flight movie or nothing.
The kingdom of far, far away, donkey. That's where we're going. Far, far away.
All right, I get it. I'm just so darn bored.
Well, find a way to entertain yourself. Oh, for 5 minutes. Could you not be yourself? For 5 minutes! Ah! Are we there yet?
Yes!
Oh, finally! It's gonna be champagne wishes and caviar dreams from now on. Hey, good looking. We'll be back to pick you up later. Oh, pantyhose.
We are definitely not in the swamp anymore.
Hey, ladies, nice day for a parade, huh? Yeah, you working that hat?